I just want to go over this worksheet because I feel like some of us didn't, I guess, get it to the full extent. So basically, you still need to know the words from last week to be successful this week. So we see a lot of sown. We see a lot of S, right? This is like they are. Sown is they are, right? S is he, she, it is, right? Quien, right? Who. Quienes is who, plural, right? So we still need to know these words from week 1, and again, like next week, you're gonna have to know the words from week 2, and so on and so forth. So please make sure that we're keeping up with these words. So let's look at number 2 and number 3. Padres, mis padres. Mis would just be my or me. My, this would be like plural, right? So my parents, so mis padres son los nietos de mis abuelos. Figure out what words you recognize from our vocab in here. So you say parents are grandchildren, grandparents. So it's saying my parents are the grandchildren of my grandparents. True or false? That's totally false because you are the grandchild of your grandparents. So false. Okay. Look at this one. Mis abuelos son los padres de mis padres. So grandparents, parents of my parents. True. My grandparents are the parents of my parents. And then we have yo soy, right? Yo soy equals I am. You need to know that. You need to remember these things. So yo soy, I am la sobrina de mis abuelos. I am the niece of my grandparents. That is false. You're the grandchild of your grandparents. So we just need to remember that we know like when and how to use each word. So like with these questions, I'm gonna erase these quick. It says quiénes son tus primos, right? It's saying who, oops. So tus equals your, and hopefully you guys like figured that out, but it's who are, right? Your cousins. So then instead of saying tus primos, you'd obviously say my. Mis primos son, and you list your cousins. Okay? Same thing here. ¿Quiénes son tus abuelos? So same thing. Mis abuelos, my grandparents, son, are, and then you list your grandparents. Alright, that's all we got for this worksheet. I'm going to sneeze. We're going to go to this worksheet. So this is what you're supposed to do today. And you're matching the statement with the illustration. Now remember, I equals there is, there are. Super important. S is, right? We need to know that. So, es una casa privada. Now, remember our vocab words about like private house, apartamento. What else? We got like las afueras. So where are these? Where's this? I don't know. The private house. I don't know. I'd probably say A. Es un jardín, right? That's not a J. The J is a H sound. So, es un jardín con flores y árboles. Where's the garden? Probably here, right? So you just want to go through and you want to figure out the vocab words you recognize. So recognize vocab and make best educated choice. So if it's saying no nuevo es viejo, what do you think the car is? Is it new or is it old? It's old. Okay. Then this is self-explanatory. Identify each room in the house. Just make your best guess with like the words that we learned. Okay. In this part, una casa pequeña tiene 10 cuartos. So a small house has 10 rooms. So you probably actually would say una casa pequeña tiene 2 cuartos, right? They probably have like 2 rooms. There is, right? Una mesa, look up your vocab words, y 6 sillas, and el cuarto de baño. So just change the numbers or change, I guess, the vocab words to put down the correct, like, either change this to equal this, or change the name of the room. So if there's a table and 6 chairs, it wouldn't be el cuarto de baño. It would probably be el comedor, right? The dining room. And same thing here. Una cama, you guys know that's a bed, and el comedor, that's wrong. So either change what's in the dining room or change the name of the room. And then this one is, you guys should know that un hijo único, so only child, tiene hermanos. Tiene, and I know we haven't talked about this yet, but equals he, she, it, has. Okay? So, an only child has, you guys know, hermanos. Change that so it is a true statement, not a false statement. Una casa pequeña tiene 4. Alright, so this, I would look at, maybe, it looks like there's a lot of these words that go into this for letter D. So look at your vocab words for this. Express the italicized words in a different way. Alright, so there's different, I believe there's different words for these words. So different words for bedroom, different word for apartamentos, pisos in your vocab. So just write them with our vocab words. So I would just say like, you don't have to do F or G, we'll say. You're off the hook for those. So just make sure that you do this worksheet today. If you have questions, please ask, but hopefully this was a little bit helpful. Hopefully the other worksheet that I went over was helpful as far as like how to answer the questions. First person to email me and saying that they heard me say in this video that you get 5 extra credit points for emailing me saying that you watched the video gets extra credit. So if you're the first person that watches this whole video all the way through, you hear that you get extra credit, then please send me a email with the subject title, Luplo is the best. All caps. I'll for sure give you that extra credit. So let's have a great day. Let's pass this vocab test tomorrow. Please join the Zoom a little bit later so we can review this chapter vocab. All right. Good luck.